Is it really that hard to apply a screen protector properly? We are at the factory today and we just made these, so I'm gonna show you how easy it is to actually apply. First, get rid of this. They don't do anything for your phone. They just break. I'm gonna even sprinkle some dust on the phone. Now let's get this. Just put it on top of your phone. Don't worry about dust. Don't worry about air bubbles. Pull the dust removal tape. Swipe here. Then peel the sticker. Once the air is almost here, you can now remove the tray. Now swipe the edges and peel the final film. As you can see, no dust, no air bubbles, less than 30 seconds. That easy. Now our hydrophobic electroplated layer gives you that super smooth feeling.